In comic books, supervillains terrify us with impossible powers. But what if I told you that nature perfected these terrifying abilities millions of years before humans imagined them? From creatures that shoot boiling acid to animals that hijack other beings' minds. Today we're uncovering 7 animals with powers so diabolical they'd make any comic book villain jealous. And they're all very, very real. While superheroes get the glory, evolution has quietly been crafting the ultimate villains. These animals don't just survive, they dominate through abilities that seem ripped from science fiction. Chemical warfare, mind control, biological weapons. These aren't human inventions. They're natural adaptations perfected over millennia. Prepare to meet nature's most diabolical masterminds. Creatures that prove sometimes the most terrifying powers aren't supernatural, they're biological. Chemical warfare, the bombardier beetle. At zombification, the Ophiocordyceps fungus. Number 6 brings us the closest thing to real-life zombies, the Ophiocordyceps fungus. Nature's puppet master. This fungus doesn't kill its ant host immediately. It hijacks its mind first. Spores attach to an ant, growing inside while the ant behaves normally for days. Then the takeover begins. Chemicals force the ant to climb vegetation, bite down with a death grip on the underside of a leaf. A position perfect for fungal growth. As the ant dies, the fungus erupts from its body, releasing spores to infect more ants. But the true horror? Recent discoveries show the fungus doesn't just control muscles, it actually fuses with the ant's muscle fibers, becoming part of its body. This isn't just infection, it's complete biological takeover. Sonic weapons, the pistol shrimp. At number 5, a creature that weaponized physics. The pistol shrimp. This small crustacean possesses an oversized claw that closes so fast it creates a cavitation bubble. When this bubble collapses, it produces a shock wave reaching 218 decibels, louder than a gunshot, and temperatures of 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the sun's surface. The implosion creates a flash of light called sonoluminescence. But the supervillain strategy? They often pair up with goby fish. The shrimp digs and maintains the burrow while the goby stands guard. When danger approaches, the shrimp touches the goby with its antennae and both retreat. This shrimp doesn't just have a weapon, it has an entire security system. It's turned bubble physics into a deadly armament. Biological body armor, the assassin bug. Number 4 showcases nature's most macabre fashion statement, the assassin bug's corpse armor. Some species don't just kill their prey, they wear it. After sucking a termite dry, the assassin bug carefully places the empty exoskeleton on its own back, stacking multiple corpses into a gruesome shield. But this isn't just for show. Research shows this corpse armor provides 3 tactical advantages: camouflage from predators above, protection from other predators' attacks, and intimidation against prey. Some species even use specific types of corpses for different hunting situations. They're not just killers. They're tacticians using their victims' remains as psychological and physical weapons. The ultimate disrespect. Electrical domination. The electric eel. Entering our top 3. The electric eel, nature's living taser. While many know it can generate 600 volts, its true supervillain power is far more sophisticated. It doesn't just shock, it hunts with electrical precision. Using low voltage pulses, it remotely controls its prey's muscles, causing involuntary twitches that reveal hidden fish. Then, with high voltage bursts, it induces full-body muscle contractions, essentially paralyzing prey from a distance. But the most diabolical ability? It can curl its body around prey to double the shock's power, creating an electrical field that overwhelms the nervous system. Recent discoveries show it can even use its electricity as a tracking system, sensing the disturbances its shocks cause in the water. It's not just generating electricity, it's weaponizing electromagnetic fields. Stealth assassination, the archer fish. Number 2 demonstrates that accuracy can be the deadliest power. The archer fish. This aquatic assassin doesn't chase prey. it shoots it down. By compressing water in its mouth and releasing it through a narrow groove in its palate, it creates a high-pressure stream that can hit insects 3 feet above water. But here's the supervillain calculus. It accounts for light refraction between water and air, gravity's effect on the water stream, and its prey's movement, all in milliseconds. It learns from missed shots, adjusting aim based on previous attempts. Some archer fish even spit at angles to knock prey onto water surfaces where other fish can't reach. They've been observed dislodging spiders from webs, knocking resting insects from branches, and even coordinating attacks in groups. This isn't just spitting, it's ballistic mathematics perfected. Mind control. The emerald cockroach, our #1 ability, represents ultimate domination, not just killing, but complete behavioral control. The emerald cockroach wasp doesn't simply paralyze its prey, it turns it into a zombie servant. The wasp's sting targets 2 specific areas of the cockroach's brain, one that controls the escape reflex, and another that controls movement. The result? A cockroach that can move, but won't flee. The wasp then leads the docile cockroach by its antennae to a burrow, lays an egg on its abdomen, and seals it inside. The still-living cockroach serves as fresh food for the developing larva. Research reveals the venom contains specific neurotransmitters that override the cockroach's free will while keeping it alive and nourished. This isn't just predation, it's the ultimate psychological conquest, turning an enemy into a willing slave that feeds its own offspring. These 7 abilities reveal nature's darker creative genius. Evolution isn't just about survival of the fittest, it's about developing the most effective ways to dominate, control, and eliminate competition. These animals haven't just adapted to their environments, they've become masters of biological warfare, turning their bodies into weapons we're only beginning to understand. Which of these diabolical abilities shocked you the most? Do you think any animal has even more villainous powers we haven't discovered? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're fascinated by nature's dark side, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We reveal nature's hidden secrets every week. Until next time, remember, the most terrifying powers aren't in comic books. They're crawling, swimming, and flying all around us.